Find or read reviews that people are talking about Matalde 26-inch push lawn sweeper with 7.5 cubic feet mesh collection hopper bag. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Quick lawn and yard cleaning. Effortless push-pull operation for rapid debris collection. Equipped with a 26-inch wide cleaning path, this leaf sweeper lets you swiftly gather leaves, acorns, and pine needles across lawn and yard with minimal force. No more tedious raking or back strain, just push sweeper to tackle large areas of debris in less time, keeping outdoor space neat and tidy in a breeze. A 100 liters leaf bagger is included free with the lawn sweeper push. Reduce the frequency of waste collection, allowing one-time cleaning of large area lawns, yards, gardens, and other spaces. Anti-fall cover and foam handled. The innovative hopper bag features cover to prevent fallen leaf. The foam-wrapped handle provides a comfortable grip, preventing friction-induced pain, and this optimized design is more suitable for long-hour work. Versatile application scenarios. Suitable for front yard lawns, backyard grass, as well as piled up fallen leaves in the backyard or mowed lawns. It can clean various types of fallen leaves, including maple leaves, pine needles, and acorns, keeping your lawn neat and beautiful. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.